today's interfacing, first open a new project on Proteus as always. On the Schematic Capture tab of New Project, get all the required parts, namely L298 motor driver H-bridge and D.C motor. Now place the components as shown. Now get the required terminals and place them as shown. While drawing the power connection here, 5 volts terminal is shown shorted to 12 volts terminal for simulation purpose, which is not required to be done in actual development. Similarly, the ground connection, unlike what is shown for simulation, should be for connecting the driver ground to negative side of motor driver battery and ground of Raspberry Pi board in reality. Simply, positive side of motor driver battery should be connected to either 12 volts or 5 volts terminal of the motor driver, and the negative side of the said battery together with ground of the Raspberry Pi should be connected to the ground terminal of the motor driver. Default pin outs should always be connected as shown. Similarly, motors should also be connected always as shown. Assign desired GPIO pin numbers to I.N1, I.N2, Yin-A, I.N3, I.N4, and YIMBY pins on the motor driver. This assignment of pins should reflect in and correspond to the source code for the device. So, after assignment, move on to Source Code tab for writing source code. Remove the default code on Source Code tab and type in the source code available in the description box below. The creator has just saved time in copying the code from test project. After writing code, simulate the project by pressing the play button on Schematic Capture tab, which in this project should light the motors in blue with I.N terminals blinking in red and blue every 5 seconds to mean robot car moving forward and backward for 5 seconds in alternating order. If this video is found to be useful, please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel to support more of such videos in future. Thanks for watching.